we realize your new wheeled string trimmer is nothing like the handheld trimmer you're used to. It takes a few times to catch on to the best ways to use this amazing machine and really understand its superiority. Here are a few tips and tricks to help maximize your user experience and enjoy trimming your yard, maybe for the first time ever. Tip 1. Keep the trimmer head bowl above the ground. Note that the trimmer head is not intended to be in constant contact with the ground. Using appropriate downward pressure on the handles, balance the unit to keep the trimmer head bowl floating slightly above the ground. This will allow the trimmer head to maintain maximum string speed for optimal performance. Tip 2. Keep objects to your right. The trimmer guard is designed for right-hand use and to provide users maximum protection from clippings and thrown objects. Therefore, when trimming around obstacles, keep the objects to the right of the wheeled string trimmer. This will keep you safe and clean while trimming. Tip 3. Use the swivel function along fences and buildings. When trimming along fences and buildings, utilize the swivel function. This will allow you to walk in a straight line, saving time and trimmer string. Tip 4. Bevel feature. The bevel feature of the trimmer allows a 5 to 10 degree downward angle to the right of the unit for precision trimming along landscaping, foundations, walls, driveways, or sidewalks. In addition to the bevel feature, it can be helpful to tip the unit onto the right wheel to get under or around obstacles. Tip 5. Quick replacement of strings. Unlike a traditional handheld string trimmer, removal and replacement of trimmer line is quick and easy. Note, only use flexible, non-metallic strings with either .095 or .105 inch diameters with this trimmer. First, stop the engine and remove the spark plug lead. Cut 2 lengths of trimmer string to 16.5 inches long. Form one line into a U-shape with equal leg lengths. Push the center of the U-shape through the wire loop and route over the retainer tab. Ensure the strings have equal lengths on each side and pull tautly. Repeat on the opposite side. Once the strings have been successfully attached, you can reconnect the spark plug lead and return to trimming. Tip 6. Plunge technique. When trimming tall or thick grasses, it is recommended to use a plunge technique. This involves slowly and steadily pushing the unit forward a few feet, then pulling back slightly before repeating on the next pass. This allows the engine speed to remain high and maximize line speed, ensuring a quick, effective cut. Tip 7. Trimming on a grade. When trimming on a grade, it is recommended that you trim straight up or down to maintain optimal control and stability of your trimmer. And that's it. Following these tips and tricks, you can ensure you're using your Southland Wheeled String Trimmer to its fullest.